Hi folks, and welcome back to Tam Stamps. Today we're going to be making card number 1 from the December Paper Pumpkin subscription box. It looks like Blackberry Bliss is our color of the month. And it seems like we have some beautiful flower and fern themed cards for our December pack. I'll speed up a little time while I'm unwrapping. Looks like we're starting off with what looks to be a pink rose card. So let's get to it. Our banner punch is going to be the gold-rimmed oval, and the sentiment is going to be a popular one, and it is going to be Happy Birthday. If you're enjoying this video, we'd certainly appreciate a like, and remember to subscribe for more of these videos and click the notification button so you don't miss our next video. And now for a few other of our punch outs. Here we have these sort of translucent fern leaves, I would guess, would be the best way to describe them. They're going to be the background. It's going to make our flowers pop out from the card back. Always keep in mind that you can find this kit as well as any of your card crafting needs on our Tam Stamps website, listed in the description. Now I'm trying to get these two lined up because I'm going to be putting adhesive across the back of both of them to adhere them to each other, then also to adhere to the card front. We're going to be using adhesive double-sided tape for this, and I'm going to be trying to guesstimate the length that I need and cutting them. If I'm not mistaken, this first one is a little bit too long, but as you can see, it's a pretty easy fix. The only difficulty is making sure that I don't cut both the card or flower and the tape. Now the second one should be sized a little bit better. Now you might not be able to see it on camera, but what I'm trying to point out to you here is this side of the card has a very light gold pattern across it. And of course, this is the side we're going to want to use. The backs of the tape come off pretty easily, then it's just a matter of arranging the flower on the front of the card so that the banner pop-out will be in its right place. Our banner pop-out gets 3 of our foam hexagon adhesives. They gave me nice big ones this month, which makes it easier for me to handle. Last thing to go on the front of this card is going to be some embellishment, these nice little sparkly gold dots. Now, the best way I found to handle them is to use the tip of the knife to slide between the backing and the embellishments. Then I use that to place it onto the card and adhere it with my finger. Our third one here is going to be a larger one, and I can actually use my fingers to place it on the card. Now that finishes the front of the card, but we do have an address label section that's going on the front of the envelope. You can see that I'm going to use one of the extra label cards as my template. Now, I know exactly where I want to place it. Then, it's as easy as removing the adhesive section from its base and using the template to align it. and I get a pretty centered label piece. And there you have it, folks. And yes, the embellishment did come free and ended up adhering at the bottom of the card. There is our first card of the December Paper Pumpkin box. Thanks for visiting Tam Stamps, and you folks have a great day.